Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Etoro account using your Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Etoro website, from which, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the login page. Now, once you're inside this page, you will see various different options of logging in. If you created your account with your Facebook account, you have the option to click on Sign In with Facebook. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be taken into a different link, which will ask you to log into your Facebook account. Just type in your Facebook account credentials and then enter your password. After entering both of your credentials for your Facebook account, just click on the login button, and if you have set up two-factor authentication, you will also need to provide the verification code. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, the Etoro application will automatically detect your Facebook and you will be logged in using your Facebook account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Etoro using your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.